Bully Savage. That Savage moment, they're just calling me like Jim started it. Oh, since Savage. Then Stormy didn't took the kill from the Lucas. Then they just give it to me. That's why I got the Savage. I think we're like focusing on our own strength, like playing early game heroes. Then we will just dominate the whole game from early to late game. And I think because we ate breakfast together. Because in this meta, there's a lot of heroes to ban, so you just need to choose who will you fight. Because there's also like YSS and Norlot Fredrin. It only depends on the team. Maybe they're TLPH or Team Spirit. Because they want to face us also. Just normal, not that too overconfident. But we are confident that we can fight them.